We're going out tonight, so put on something nice that fits your body right. There's nothing you can't wear when combined with those eyes and that pretty smile. I love it when you rock your high bun, white tee.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. How are we doing? Who we got here? Steve-O, how you doing, mates? Nice song. Cheers, cheers. Hey, Benny, how are you, mate? We got CK here early. All right, everybody, welcome to the stream. Let's get some trading questions going first, then we'll play a little bit of this game. I was practicing this game before, you know. It's really tough. It's really tough. You know, I lost like before 10 a few times, then I lost before 30, and then I got to like 114 very luckily. Coffee lover, how you doing? Good to see you again. How we doing? How we doing? Greg, how are you, mate? CK, already said hello to you, CK. Make sure you leave a like on the stream, guys, when you come into the stream. Just looking at the dollar index at the moment. Really strong gaps to the upside here on the dollar index. This is flight to safety type stuff here. You know, obviously with the dumps we've seen on SPX. With the dumps we've seen on S&P 500, you know, over the last few days, we've seen, you know, pretty heavy rallies in the dollar index. Dollar index typically, you know, when markets are dumping really hard, typically the dollar is rallying. Because like I always say, if you're selling equities, you need to sell usually $2. Okay, so you're simultaneously buying dollars. That pushes the dollar index to the upside. All right, everybody. Any trades we're looking at the moment? New setup here on Euro Pound on the 15-minute time frame. We'll take a look at that. But yes, very, very bearish looking SPX at the moment. We did have a little bit of a bounce. I mentioned this bounce off this support level. And not to chase after these two really bearish candlesticks. We saw that little bit of a bounce, but then we saw just another clean tear through this level once more, right? Big dump through the level here, and now we've got this like inside bar basically forming. We'll see what happens. We're back down at these previous lows. You can see here, back down at these previous lows. So let's see what happens. We've got Euro Pound here pushing to the downside on the 15-minute time frame. Absolutely just dumping to the downside. Might be a reasonable quick bounce here. You know, like when this market just absolutely dumps so hard, you're looking for that quick bounce off something like a support level like this, right? This type of support level here is where you might see a really quick bounce. While we've got this weak uptrend, like we're in the absolute like death throes of the uptrend, we could get a quick bounce from this extension zone, catch our TPs, and then if it does continue on down, you know, we're not going to touch it again. But because of this such a hard move to the downside, this strong deviation away from the overall mean, we might catch a trade here. We might catch some TPs. Taking a look at XAU USD as well, you know, there's this common misconception that gold is this flight to safety type asset. However, you can see here the way that gold is actually acting in correlation with the S&P 500. So it's acting in a positive correlation to the S&P 500. Most people think gold goes up when SPX goes down. But in this case, gold is going down with SPX going down as well. And dollar index going up. So really interesting to see that type of thing. Hey PK, how you doing? Hey Steven, welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining the stream, guys. Appreciate it very much. What trades are we looking at? Let me know what trades you guys are looking at. I will take a look at those trades. We got a silver position here on the 15-minute as well. That is actually disappearing now, but reasonable zone still, okay? Just because this has now disappeared, it's still a reasonable trade to be looking at something like that. on silver at the moment. You know, still in a good downtrend. If we quickly get back up there, good shortable position. Antonio, how we doing? Did I see you strictly trading BTC now, Antonio? You caught a pretty good BTC trade, didn't you? Let's take a look at BTC while we're at it. I know you were short BTC. You were short BTC from maybe up here somewhere yesterday, perhaps? I think you got most of this downside move here. Euro pound 30 minute looks beautiful to me. What do you think? I'll take a look. Coffee lover. What? Just got off SPX 15 minute from NRR level. Oh, there's a 15 minute algo trade on Euro pound. Okay, cool. We'll take a look at that shortly. Make sure you leave a like on the stream when you enter, guys. I think you were short from this level over here. From memory. You're telling me about this short position? Yeah, you caught the short right here. That's lovely, that. Or it might have been deeper. Maybe 4 hour short position to there. Was something you were on? Lovely trade, Antonio. Good trade. Well done. Okay, cool. Let me check out these trades. Got off SPX 15 minutes from NRR level. Good. How's everyone going with the game, by the way? Bit of fun. It's actually a pretty addictive game. It's a good bit of fun. And, you know, win some cash, stuff like that. NNR level 15 minute. Cool. Let me look at that PK. Oh yeah, from here? Or NNR? Or NRR. Okay, cool. I'm guessing this one here. Very similar trade to Antonio's trade. If that was your trade, PK, very nice. Very similar position to the BTC trade that Antonio got in. So, really, another great trade. This is exactly what you want to be doing in these type of markets. Alright? Well done. Great trade. SPX shortable again. It pains me. But hey, it is what it is. That's markets for you. Alright, we've got 15 minute algo trade on Euro pound. Euro pound 15 minute algo trade here. Let's see. Big dump. Again, same thing here as oh, that was the trade I looked at before. You're looking at the 30 minute? Yeah, okay, cool. Same trade basically. Basically same position here. Almost identical. Almost identical here. 30 minute, 15 minute, whichever one you want to take. They're basically they're the same position. Like they just are the same position. It was a 4 hour RR and extension on 1 hour. Fantastic PK. Got that 15 minute trade too. Very smooth. Good stuff. Good stuff. A few people profiting here on the downside we're seeing on SPX and the downside we're seeing on BTC. So that's really good to hear. Jocelyn. Hey Jocelyn, great to have you in the stream. I can't imagine how the top scorer's eyes turned out after hitting a score of 1008. I know what you mean. It's crazy. Would you short around current levels of BTC USD 3900? Here, not unless we get back below this level here. Not unless we close back below this level significantly, because obviously right now we're pushing through quite a bit here. So I wouldn't be shorting this just yet. I'd probably be looking for a short up here or a short here perhaps. This is probably like, if we continue on through this level, that would maybe be a shortable level on the 15 minute. But we really would need to get back below this level, consolidate down here before it looked shortable again from there, to be honest. I'm interested to see how this candle closes in 4 minutes. And then we got the next 15-minute candle, which is an important one because that is the, is that the 4-hour close? 2 hours till the 4-hour close. No, so it's just the 1-hour close. Interested to see how the 1-hour candle closes here in 18 minutes. BTC heading back to 43,750, Antonio says. 43,750. Let's take a look at that. So your thesis, Antonio, is back to, back to 43,750 from here. So the bounce off, you think this gets respected, we bounce off here, and then we come down from there? Yeah, so that would kind of line up with what I mentioned, I guess, on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, right, so we're talking up here further. That neutral level there. Perhaps. We've got a few levels to break in order to get back there, though. We have a few levels to break to get back there. And it's not impossible, but we do have a lot of levels to break. We could range in here, yeah. We could start to form a little bit of a range in here, but as soon as we lose this level, then it doesn't look good. If we lose... Okay, so obviously the bulls have held on to 37,500 for a while now. Like, we've really held on to this for a while, the bulls have. Okay, if this breaks, then we get some heavy liquidations through that level. Right, I'm actually interested to see what is the coin glass, I think it is. Yeah, I think so. Coffee lover, BTC. Sorry, Tom, I'm babysitting at 15 minutes, so I'm popping in and out. No worries, Ben. Euro USD been tanking again. Euro USD is just so shortable. Oh, Ben is shorting Euro USD lately. He mentioned that to me yesterday, that he's been shorting Euro USD, and yeah, we are tanking again on Euro USD. 15-minute position on Euro USD. I wonder if you're short from here or whether you're short from here. Either way, looking pretty good. It looks more clear on the 1-day chart. If it breaks NNS level, then maybe. For Chris, PK mentioning to Chris. Yep, think so. Okay, Euro Pound triggered. All right, Euro Pound is triggered. Let's take a look at Euro Pound then. Okay, cool. We're triggered on Euro Pound. Let's see how this thing plays out while we're on the stream. Let's see how this thing plays out, and we'll keep this over here. See, 114 right there, 17th. Not bad at all, huh? Not bad at all. I'm really bad at this. I'm terrible at this game. It seems really slow. I think it's like much... I feel like it's much easier on the phone than it is on desktop like this. Oh, that's a terrible drop. That is a terrible drop. Nearly got a second entry on Euro Pound here. 15 minutes till the 1-hour candle closes here. God, I'm bad at this. Should it be this wonky to start off with? I don't think it should be this wonky to start off with, personally. Oh, that's terrible. Dumping hard on the news. I don't know what news there is at the moment, but it doesn't really matter. We're just worried about like the price action at the moment. But let's just see. This could play out relatively okay, I think. Let's just see what happens here. If we catch an entry 2. Oof. Alright. I'm actually doing... This is a good little run here, okay? This is good. Oh, that's a good drop. Oh, that's okay, I guess. That's a good one. Oh, yes. Well done. Plus... not bad. You know, it started off a little bit wonky, but now I'm locking in now. You know, I'm locking in a lot more here. Okay, here we... Oh, no, that's terrible. That's terrible. Who hasn't started playing... Oh, that's even worse. Who hasn't been playing this game? Oh, that's bad. We're leaning a little bit left now. Alright, getting a rally here on Euro Pound. If we get back through this support and we can get a consolidation up here above the support, then we should look good, I think, for... oh, no. Whoops. That's terrible. That's just bad. What do we get? 39. Oh my goodness. That's embarrassing. That is embarrassing. We really don't want this to start acting like a resistance, this support level to start acting like resistance. We really want the market to get through it, get above it, and then catch our TP1 here. Right, like I said, what are we looking for here on Euro Pound? We're just looking for like a quick bounce here on Euro Pound. We're not looking for much more than that. Who's in Euro Pound? Just let me know. Greg doesn't want to start playing just yet. We'll get stuck playing and not working. They don't want that. Tom's brick dropping like Euro Pound. That's just mean. That's just mean, coffee lover. Alright. Hey, Euro Pound's bouncing now, okay? I started playing only this morning, but only till 10 or so. Only till 10 a.m., okay? Alright, we're getting a nice little bounce here on Euro Pound. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Good little rally. Who's in Euro Pound? Who's in Euro Pound? I know Coffee Lover's in Euro Pound. Caught Euro Pound during the session. Okay, cool. Chris is on Euro Pound. PK, are you on Euro Pound? PK on Euro Pound, CK on Euro Pound. Benny's on Euro USD. Antonio exclusively trading BTC at the moment. Jocelyn? What about you, Jocelyn? Let's see here. I set up the classic extension trade on Euro Pound, not triggered. Okay, cool. Yep, so PK is here. He's that. That's alright. Oh, CK, sorry. CK, PK. PK's not. Okay, cool. What else we got going on here? We got pound Swiss franc actually operating like opposite to Euro Pound at the moment. We'll leave Euro Pound here and we'll keep an eye on that. Jocelyn is. Hello, Jocelyn. Yes, Jocelyn's in. Alright, let's see. Get that rally. Rally now. So you can see here, pound Swiss franc, big move up. We're now getting rejected out of there, right? And then euro pound, we're doing basically the opposite. I was getting my bricks up to TP. Well, I wasn't. I was doing terribly. I just wasn't, you know what? I was distracted by euro pound. That's why. Let's take a look at BTC while we're at it. BTC going here. I'm actually interested in ETH. I'm interested in Solana. I'm going to take a look at Solana as well. When everything fails you and you're so blue, don't understand. Reach out for my hand. I'm interested in Sol. I'm going to jump onto BTC and then we'll take a look at ETH and Sol after that. Yeah, see, pushing pretty hard, right? So this is why we wouldn't be shorting from... Yeah, like I mentioned before, it's not really shortable until we genuinely get back below this and then we do something like that. Because we rallied back up again through that level. Euro pound rallying nicely. So anyone who's in euro pound... Fingers crossed we catch another TP. That would be like, what, 4 weeks in a row of TPs in stream if we catch euro pound here. So fingers crossed we get that. We've got BTC ripping still. ETH, we've got... Let's jump a 15-minute time frame on ETH. Same kind of deal here, you know. This little bit of price action here looks relatively bullish coming out of this bearish move, right? We've got that V recovery here and like some short-term bullish moves at the moment. SPX shooting up. Okay, you know, when all of these risk-on markets are actually following after that as well. So you can see like the correlation here between literally every single chart that I have open. There's a heavy correlation here on all of these markets. Yeah. That extension trade. I was thinking about that extension trade coming into the stream. I was thinking about that extension trade coming into the stream here. This one right there. Popped up. Anyway, getting nice rallies here across the board, essentially. Let's see, euro pound. Really, really looking for euro pound to catch TPs. But, you know, we've had a little bit of volatility. We've had a few moves. Let's see what happens. Does it seem really slow on desktop, like how these bricks drop? Oh, +2 straight up. Let's go. See ya, Antonio. Thanks for joining, buddy. Appreciate it, mate. I'll chat with you soon. I'll actually be, next time I talk to you guys, I'll probably be talking to you from Thailand. So I'll be talking to you guys from Thailand, whether it's the funded traders on Tuesday or the live stream Wednesday. That's terrible. It's faster on your laptop. It's slow. It seems slow for me. It seems like it drops really slow. Okay, come on, euro pound. We got like, what, 3 or 4 of you guys in euro pound at the moment? Oh yeah, nice. +3. Go, son. Oh, that's not good. Alright, that's okay. We can recover from that. That's not terrible. Thought you were already there. Thought that you mentioned 26 APR or something. Maybe I just imagined. No, I'm not in Thailand. I'm heading out on the 3rd. All right, Antonio. Appreciate it, mate. Have a good day. Slower is better. No, I'll be in Thailand from the 3rd. Flying on the 3rd, yep. Catch up with Asga. Okay, here we go. Euro pound. Let's rally into TPs here. The volatility is crazy once over 300. Coffee lover, are you Philippe? Are you Philip? From the global chat? I'm feeling good about this one. This seems like it's going to be a good little run here, alright? I'm coming for that 1008 spot. 1008, here I come. Whoever's at 1008, you be careful. But this is looking a little bit wonky. Too wonky for being at like 30. Way too wonky. I've got one eye on Euro Pound. Oh, mini brick. Double mini brick. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, 34. That's horrible. What am I doing? Alright. It's actually very difficult to get, you know, multiple good runs in a row, huh? Is it faster on your laptop? It seems slower. I think it seems slower to me. Alright, come on. Alright guys, be prepared to just close profit on Euro Pound if you're close, okay? If you guys are in Euro Pound, get ready to just take that profit. If we get close to TP1, alright? Just close it out. Better to take the profit, walk away, be happy with that little win while we're in the stream, okay? So close. I'd be looking to take it manually. Oh, that's terrible. All right, okay. Let's switch in. Let's lock in here. All right, okay. Oh no, that's bad. All right, that's okay. We're a little wonky, but we can recover it though. We just slowly edge it over to the left. We gotta slowly edge the thing over to the left here. That's not really slow. That's a little bit too fast. All right, we gotta start edging it back to the right now. You know what? I actually studied 3 years of engineering. I studied 3 years of engineering before I did finance, so I should be good at this. But it's very lucky I didn't become an engineer, judging by my performance here. Very lucky I didn't become an engineer. We'd have wonky bridges all over the place. Get the brick over to the side, use the line as a guide to stack bonus. Oh. That's a bit of the tip right there, Philip. Oh no, that's bad. People getting paid on the stream, how cool is that? Yeah, awesome, good work if you took profits. I think your game is lagging, Tom? I think it's pretty okay. I don't know. It might be. I'm thinking of asking my son to play this. Oh no. Alright, we're good. Alright, no, this is a good run. We're nearly at 50 here. This is good for me. Alright, this is very promising. Let's just keep this going, this little run here. Oh, that's not great. That's a good one. That's a good drop though. You know, you just gotta drop it quick. Just bang. Just drop it. Well, I don't know why I'm giving tips. I'm not even at 100, but... Oh, yeah, nice. +3. Come on. If you didn't take profits, you might be able to take profits soon on Euro Pound. Okay, we're okay with that. We're okay. Who's an engineer and is, like, really good at this? Hello, Nuno. How we doing, mate? Great to have you here. Oh, yeah, okay. Profits for sure. Come on. Bank it. Banked. banked. Let's go. Euro pound. Well done, everyone. Ooh. Well done, everyone who is in Euro pound. Great work. Good little trade, that. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. We've got this still. Oh, that's not a good drop. Oh, I thought that was going to fall then. Okay. That's decent. That's decent, though. Okay, we're back on track. We're back on track here. We're back on track. We're good. We're good. Good work, everybody, for Euro Pound. Made a little bit of money on that. I wonder how BTC is going, but I'm more focused on the game. I'm close to 100. Let's crack 3 digits here when we just saw profit taken on Euro Pound. All right, come on. All right. Yes. Yes, 100. 100. Come on. All right, let's keep going. Come on. We got this. 1,000. One. We need 10x more. We need 10x more to be at the top of the leaderboard. Oh, no, that's not great. Another 10x to get to the top of the leaderboard. I'm very happy that we've had like 4 weeks in a row of just like winning trades on the stream. That's awesome. Oh, that's okay. That's okay as well. Oh, this is dangerous. Oh, how do you guys get to 1,000? I'm at 100 and I'm struggling. Oh, this is not looking good. All right, that's okay. Okay, we steadied the ship. We steadied the ship. Yep. Oh. Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh. Wait, what happened? It literally just missed everything. I just missed everything. That's terrible. All right. TP3, TP2, Chris says. Oh my goodness. You need constant bonus. Oh my goodness. Alright. Pound Swiss franc has dumped straight out of there that we didn't ever got the entry here. Oh, BTC actually pushing back below 3,900 right now. Someone mentioned, would I wait for the second test on Euro Pound? Probably not. Probably not. I think I'd call it at that. Wow, BTC just dumping straight through that level that it just rallied through. I guess because we've got SPX dumping pretty hard again now. So, you know, it's interesting to see this still rallying here and not actually following along with what's going on these other markets. Solana pushing straight out of this neutral level at $100. $100, the round number of $100. Oh, that was a countdown, Chris. Fair enough. Fair enough. Closed manually. What trade are you in? What trade is this for, Chris? BTC looks like rejections. Yeah, it's rejecting hard. I don't know. Rejecting very hard. Almost am I bearish engulf here on the 1 hour time frame? I mean, we're 5 minutes into the 1 hour. So we closed up here on the 1 hour. And then we've now just literally dumped hard straight through. But we've got an hour before this candle closes. We've got 55 minutes before this candle closes. It could literally bounce back up here and then continue on to the upside, all right? So we're not going to really judge anything right now, but you can obviously see ETH is dumping, Solana is dumping, SPX 500 is dumping as well right now. All these risk-on markets absolutely dumping. Euro Pound still rallying right now. Pound Swiss franc still moving to the downside too. So good work on Euro Pound, everybody. KN Oladipo Jimaji said, I cannot place a trade. If you're in the stream or if you're in the global chat, let us know what's going on. What error message are you receiving when you are trying to place a trade? Please let us know. We'd love to help you out, okay? Plenty of helpful people around there. All right. So, good work. Bit of money made on the stream. Throw questions in, guys. Throw any questions you've got or any trade setups that you're looking at into the chat, please, guys. And then I'll take a look at those trades, okay? I'll just have a look at the active trades we've got at the moment. Nothing really new, but great bounce. Like I said, you know, we talked about this position. We talked about exactly what we wanted to see on this position before it ever even happened. I said we want to see the dump to the downside and then just that really quick straight bounce out of entry 1, right? What did I say, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 bearish candles in a row. Generally, you have a bounce when you've got so many bearish candles. You have a bounce from a strong support level. I mentioned that at the beginning of the stream, and exactly that played out. So, good work, everybody. I don't know why I didn't take it, but anyway. I don't even know. I wasn't even thinking. I think I was too focused on that game. So, anyway. USD Singapore dollar. Let's take a look at USD Singapore dollar while we're here. Bit of some rallies. US dollar has been so strong, right? So strong. Looks like a nice BRC in general. It looks pretty high. Let me just take a look at some higher time frames here. Resistance on the 4 hour. Is it resistance on 1 hour? It's resistance on 1 hour as well. Starting to turn into neutral, yes. If I just made money on Euro Pound, I might not take this, to be honest, because I'd be like content with the money made on Euro Pound. Euro Pound, that was what you were talking about, Chris. Awesome, mate. Good work, good work. We just missed the entries here. Like, that was the bounce we were looking for. This is really a very similar position, again, to Euro Pound as well. You know, we've got the dump into the zone here. We have the quick bounce. We didn't quite catch the entry like we did on Euro Pound, though. That's really the only difference between these two positions at the end of the day. Aussie dollar, US dollar, 15 minute, a short from an NR level. All right, let's take a look at that. AUD, USD. AUD, USD, 15 minute. Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah, so again, this is the same type of position. Pretty decent. If you have taken this already, awesome. Nice little rejection here from this level. Maybe it's still shortable. It might still be shortable. If you're trading something like that, it probably is still shortable. The only thing I don't like is that TP3, we're kind of targeting somewhere where we haven't been before. But overall, I don't mind it. What I'd probably like to see is this market continue down, consolidate here, and then come back up, and then do that. That's probably the trade I'm looking for on that one. Something like that there. But yeah, good call, Coffee Lover. Good call on that one. What else we got? Extension trades. I love extension trades. What other extension trades are we looking at right now? Pound Swiss franc, we looked at that. Euro pound, we've looked at that. XAG USD, dumping. Wheat. Wheat looks good. Wheat looks like a decent extension trade here on the 1 hour. It's disappeared right now. Something like that. Something like that looks quite reasonable to me. Oh, you just got triggered, Coffee Lover. Awesome. Great looking position. Let's keep an eye on that for Philip as well. And we've got Swiss franc yen. So franc yen 4-hour time frame for Chris. Let me take a look at that for you, Chris. Are you already... Have you already taken TP here? Did you take TP here? Pounds. Franc pound. Oh, franc yen. Franc yen. Franc yen. Oh. Wow. This is rallying so much. Why is the franc rallying so much? Oh. Something like that looks pretty reasonable. Something like that looks reasonable. Very reasonable. I like that idea. Especially if we continue to dump. If we dump hard in here and we scale in like that, we could have the exact same type of price action as what we just saw on Euro Pound. Right? Like, this is very similar price action to what we just saw on Euro Pound. So I would be pretty interested in that trade, Chris. Yes, we do have the local down, but we have a really strong global uptrend. And on the 4-hour time frame, we're willing to take with trend extension trades like that. All right. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. I don't hate that idea at all. Hey, Philip just took TP1. Another TP taken in the stream. So that's 2 TPs taken in this stream so far. Aussie dollar, US dollar for Philip. And we also had Euro Pound for like 4 of you or something like that. Jocelyn, Philip. Chris was in that as well. We had... Antonio wasn't in it. A few of you were in that one. So good stuff. Another TP. Great. Just really good. Really good to hear. No worries, Chris. No worries, mate. This looks reasonable to me as well. Wheat, US dollar. Repeated a couple of times here, you could say. Repeated a couple of times, but this level has been respected quite a lot here, okay? And I like the way we've gapped up. We've gapped up here, and then we're consolidating up here. If we get a quick move down, like a quick move in, not that deep, obviously, that would be terrible. But if we had a quick move down, catch an entry, and then bounce back out like that, that would be really ideal. So I like the idea of that. I like the idea of that a lot. But I probably really like Swiss franc pound from this extension zone. I keep saying pound, I mean yen. Swiss franc yen. Yen, 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 yen. Swiss franc yen. Okay? Swiss franc yen. The tattoo across my forehead. Yen, not pound. Yen. TP1 taken here. Let's get that. Let's catch up on BTC and see what's going on here. You know what has been rallying? I wonder if this token is... Yes, it is. GMT. Loving this project at the moment. Very new, but just has been absolutely tearing to the upside. So this is a really nice little... a really nice project. GMT and GST. Not listed obviously on Binance, but GMT is. Anyway, GMT is like the governance token for this project. Steppin'. Pretty good. Pretty good. Been rallying quite a bit. Rallying real hard. BTC bleeding a bit. Hey Tom, why is the old extension trade setup not followed on the Sonar nowadays? Because you get the scale in better. You get the scale in better like this. You know, like, for example, Euro Pound, like we just saw, Euro Pound, we caught entry 1. We wouldn't have had that. Basically, like, there's a setup like this, which is like it's basically a combination of like extension and also the hard support level trade. So that's why, because you get to scale in better. Bleeding hard. You're right, Chris. It's bleeding real hard. Maybe like a little fake out here, like a fake out candle here. Trap some bulls in. Little bull trap. Trap some bulls in and now dump it straight back down out of there. Make sure you leave a like, guys. Hit the like button if you haven't already in the stream. Hit the like to say congratulations to everyone who's made money in the stream so far today. Chris, you're probably right. Like maybe it was a tradable level here, like shortable, something like that. But yeah, it just seemed like it was rallying out of that quite well. But yeah, looks really like it was a bull trap. Really does look like it was a bull trap. That's why you don't trade against trend. That's why we wouldn't have gone long there. Definitely wouldn't have been long there for sure. Definitely wouldn't have been long, but good work, Chris. What other trades we looking at? Let's run the stream for like another 5-10 minutes, something like this. 5-10 minutes. All right, so throw in any more trades you've got. Aussie dollar yen has just bounced here as well. Again, PK, to answer your question, like same deal here. Same deal here, right? We've got this whole area that's support. We bounced, we caught TP1. We never would have caught TP1 if we didn't have the extension, if we didn't have the scale in there. I'm on it. Nuno's on what? What are you on, Nuno? What are you on, Nuno? Let me know. X mode is so powerful, loving it. Yes, X mode is the best. It's amazing. Look at this. You don't get better than that. Look at that right there. To just, like, you don't just know that that is the point that this market's going to bounce. Like, you don't know that without X mode. Like, look at this. That zone right there. You don't know that that's where this is going to bounce if you don't have X mode. You just don't. Magic session. Thanks, Tom. Pleasure, Chris. Pleasure, mate. Rushing to work. Bye, everyone. All good, buddy. I'll talk to you from Thailand next, okay? Okay, Tom. Thanks for the explanation. No worries, PK. 2 TPs already. Oh, Nuno's on the BTC short. Fantastic. Oh, that one that I drew out just before. Awesome. Awesome. Nuno's on that short on BTC. BTC bleeding. Explain so powerful. Chris is heading off to work. Alright, cool. Alright. Let's just jump back to BTC. We'll just continue to see what BTC's up to. My broker's really not... I'm using Simple FX at the moment because I've got an Ethereum account on Simple FX. And the spreads are just too wide on BTC. I'm just not happy with it. Too bad it's a demo. No worries, Nuno. No worries. May I know how's the RTD calculated? What is it based on? The RTD is a proprietary trend algorithm that we have created. It's based on just the short-term and long-term trend. Short-term and long-term price action. But yeah, we created this algorithm, a proprietary algorithm that we made. So, yeah. Missed TB3 due to spread. Fair enough. Oh, on BTC 1 week chart, drew out trend lines and the channel perfectly lines up to the X mode. Yep, that happens all the time. You know, trend lines line up with X mode really, really well. Like, trend lines line up with those horizontal levels super well. A lot of the time. A lot of the time. And it's based on the 1 day. The calculation is made on the 1 day time frame. The close of the 1 day candle. Philip, coffee lover. Oh, this is going a little bit far to the right. Oh, that's terrible. That's shocking. Oh no, and now I'm compounded the error. That's terrible. All right. Straighten it back up again. Let's go. Let's look at that weekly on BTC. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. All right. That's terrible. Yes, trend line lining up with X mode perfectly. So when you're looking at this long data set, like on BTC, on such a long data set, you want to click log and you want to look at the logarithmic chart, okay? Now, logarithmic chart, that's how you want to look at parabolic data like this. So yeah, you want to make sure you've got the log chart on, because you don't get really any information from looking at something like this. But when you have the logarithmic chart, it gives you a lot more usable information. So you always want to have a logarithmic chart on when you're looking at something like BTC, when you're looking at like ETH, I think Tesla as well, like looking at, say, like a Tesla chart. Even like SPX 500, if you're looking at a really long chart of like SPX 500. So let's look here at the weekly again. Like, you know, that's unusable data, really. But when you put it, log, I don't know why log chart's not working on that one. I think it maybe only works on the primary one, perhaps. Even SPX, like you want to have the log chart. Okay. Alright, you don't want to play ball. Here we go. ETH USDT. But with BFT, you don't need to draw trend lines. I mean, you can if it makes you feel more comfortable with the with your analysis. Like, that's no worries. You definitely can. So weekly, you can see logarithmic data, non-logarithmic data. Very, very, very different data that you're seeing right there. Very different data. So you always want to have that logarithmic chart on. Let's look at SPX for that parabolic type data. I just realized an idea of having your reaction playing the games made into NFT for BFT. An NFT. You want to get an NFT of me reacting to playing games. That is humbling. That's humbling. How much are you going to pay for my NFT? Philip, I'll make you an NFT. How much are you going to pay for my NFT of me reacting to playing games? But it's a good idea. It's a good idea. It's actually very interesting that you mentioned that. Some great news coming soon. Great news coming soon. Very interesting that you mentioned that, Philip. When I'm getting to Thailand, I'm very excited about getting to Thailand. We're going to be doing some filming the new academy. Me and Asger are going to film in a new academy together. It's going to be a really high quality production. We're going to do, you know, a little bit of like, hopefully we get some behind the scenes type shooting done, like the making of the academy and stuff like this. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. We've got a really exciting like 2, 3, 4 months ahead of us. Okay. So, really exciting. And hopefully in May, we can, you know, let you guys in on all of this, like, really cryptic update stuff that we've been talking about and everything that's going on and what we've been working on for so long. And, yeah, you guys can be fully in on everything. And, yeah, we just have a really exciting year in Breakfree Trading. I thought I read a leak on the group today. What leak? What's this leak? Who is leaking information? Tell me who they are, and I'll have to hunt them down. I'll have to send people around to their place or something like that. Who's leaking information? Who's leaking my information, huh? PK. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I'm going to sign off now. Been an awesome hour with you all. Thank you very much for me. No, I just said I'm going to Thailand. I just said I'm flying to Thailand. I'm sure that's all I said. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you all soon. I will keep you guys updated on my trip over to Thailand. Otherwise, next week at the live stream, I'll be speaking to you live from Thailand. Maybe I can twist Asga's arm into joining me as well, and we'll both join you live. We'll see how we go, but let's try and make that happen. All right, guys, appreciate you all, and well done to everybody who made profits in this stream. 4 streams in a row of TPs getting taken. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one.